Kapag may sinaksak may mataduka. Malaking Afon maraming magagawa. Kaya kapag-usapan problema sa pera. Lumapit ka kay Tatang Henry C. Oxyunan naya ang problema mo. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning business of the King of Philippine Business Henry C. With Yordan Ninong Castro as Henry C. Kapag pera ang inutang pera, Renang Kabayaran. Learning the Henry C's business banks to support our Philippine economy, the BDO. And China Bank Studies simulcast on Ninong TV Facebook and YouTube. Henry C., the King of Philippine Business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show and entertainment.
Good afternoon to all of you, and this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again, and welcome to Ninong TV. You're watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers, and today this is another action of learning the businesses of Mr. Henry C. And for today, for after weeks or months rather, that we discuss the businesses that we have, the mall, the properties, the CSR, any variety of businesses that Mr. Henry C. And today, for the special education and fun entertainment, we will discover again some of the businesses of Mr. Henry C. that we discovered for the years, and to review more on his production, and that will be the bank or Bangko in Tagalog. So, the title is Kapag Pera ang Inutang, Pera rin ang Kabayaran. Learning Henry C's business banks to support our Philippine economy, the BDO, and China Bank Studies. Okay. So for today's video, we will discover here about the BDO and the China Bank of Mr. Henry C. that we don't know some of his businesses, and dito sa ating video blog ay iisa-isahin natin ang mga legacy na ginawa ng ating tatang to support our Philippine economy and to help our nation to grow. Yan ang action of Mr. Henry C. The action of business to serve the people, to fight the crisis, and to give what they need, what they want. Hindi lang sa SF, kundi sa pamahalaan. So, the first slide that we will discover here is the BDO banking. First of all, BDO meaning is, or the production, or the word that is discovered here for our educators. So BDO or Banco de Oro, one of the largest banks in the Philippines, BDO Unibank, founded January 2, 1968. BDO is a full service universal bank in the Philippines. It provides a complete array of industry leading products and services. So that is BDO. 1968, about 10 years ago, di ba? Kasi the SM is 1958, and then 1968, so about 18 years ago, something like that, di ba? Na-produce na ang BDO while the SM is ongoing. So, hindi lang po SM ang nandyan to serve the people. Nandyan din pala ang BDO to serve for your banking, financing, and for your business and for the family. Diba? Gusto mag-lending, gusto mag-loan, diba? To support their financial. BDO is there to serve you. So, for this first slide, it's all about the BDO, and you just discover the title or the meaning rather. So you make screenshot of that and go to the education.
CI merger. A merger not just of two banks, but of people. A merger not just of systems, but of passion. The passion to constantly respond to your needs. And the flexibility to change the way we do banking. Together, we'll meet the demands of a new economy.
watching and you've just discovered about the BDO. And next slide that you will discover is about China Bank. Alright, so China Bank, what's all about China Bank of Mr. Henry? It's a leading private universal bank in the Philippines with over 100 years of banking experience and history. We provide a full range of banking products and services to industrial and businesses. Alright. So China Bank is created since 1920s under by the Sea Management, and of course si Henry C. kasi is 1924 ipinanganak. So the China Bank is owned by Mr. Henry C. No, nakakaangat-angat na siya, or it can be came from his family members, at siya na ang nagmana nito. Kasi after World War II, diba? And then yung kanyang mga businesses of SM is baby pa noon. Ito yung mga extra racket ng Tito Henry. And until now, diba, nakakatulong tayo sa taong bayan. And the bank is really part of the business to create industrial, to create the project, and to create the services to serve the nation. So you will check out the China Bank on our next slide.
Are engineered to perfection, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class. And there is only one Mercedes. It comes loaded with 1 million pesos in cash, and it can be yours only from China Bank. The new, bigger China Bank Cash and Cars in a Plus. You can also win Lancer Sports Coupe, Toyota RAV4, MB100 van, and Nissan Safiro. It's easy. Open a new China Bank account today. Join now. The new, bigger China Bank Cash and Cars in a Plus.
Now you just discover the BDO and China Bank. So that is the businesses of Mr. Henry C. For through the years, he's serving us not only the toys, the shoes, grocery, appliances, diba? So meron na rin tayong service na matatagpuan sa kanya, and that is banking. Napakalaga niya, so that we can support for the business, property, for our family income, diba? For our financial, for our future. Even yung mga gusto magkakotse, gusto magkabahay, diba? Or gusto magka-business. Yan ang mga action na ginagawa ni Mr. Henry C. The BDO and China Bank is the bank businesses of Mr. Henry C. and the C family, because some of the C siblings, si mga anak niya, nag-ooperate na yan to serve more people, diba? And for this special production, I will give you the floor for CSR, of course. So, ano nga ba yung pwedeng gawin ng BDO and China Bank aside from service, or aside from making us wealthy or healthy economy? What is the CSR or the blessing that the China Bank and the BDO can do to help others? Literal na tutulungan, yung walang bayad, yung libre. Diba? So, you will check it out on our next episode. thank you for watching, and this is once again your Denver Nino Castro to be role as Mr. Henry C. Just discover about video and China Bank, and not only supporting our Philippine economy to rise up, but they are also doing CSR. That's good to discover. You know, or having a bank is really a great blessing, and we need to take care of it. We need to be responsible, and of course, pagka medyo nakakalulog-lulog na tayo after we do the loan or some of the payment, diba? We have to payment also. You know, hindi naman yan para kay Mr. MC. Kung tayo ay may loan, tayo ay dapat magbayad sa kanyang China Bank o BDO, hindi naman yan literal na aangkinin niya. Of course, we have the employees. Kailangan din na masweldo yung mga empleyado sa BDO, sa China Bank. May mga anak din yan, kailangan ng pampagatas kay baby, kailangan ng bayad sa enrollment ni Chikiting, ni ating kuya, pambayad sa tuition fee nila din, diba? So, parang tayo lang din, diba? So, you know, some of our experiences, medyo maraming na-stress pagdating sa mga ganyang bank financing, just like the loans, no? Pero, let's not think of that, you know. Isipin natin na malayo ang mararating ng ating mga binabayarang loans or credits. Diba? So, Mr. Hennessy is talagang napakaputi naman ang kanyang ginagawa because we have this credit card of BDO, China Bank, and then, you know, that credit card, pera yan ng C-Family. Pera ni Mr. Hennessy, pinapahiram sa inyo para kayo magka-business, kayo magka-kotse, magka-bahay, and to shop. So, sa ating essential, pang-baon, diba? Or shopping. So, we truly feel the blessing of Mr. Henry C. Diba? So, ngayon naman, pagka dumating ang pagkakataon na medyo napaluwang-luwang tayo or meron tayong pagkakataon. So, that's the one that kailangan natin i-give back. Pero, 50% naman yan, ito yung kanya, tapos ito yung para sa taong bayan. Diba yung sa empleyado, sa mga sales, diba? Sa mga security guards natin. Doon niya rin i-share yung bayad natin. Diba? Hindi naman literal na nagbayad tayo ng 100,000 or 1,000 of our loans or credit card. Kanya lahat. No? That's not all came to Mr. Hennessy. But also think of our nation, our economy, yung ating CSR, dapat mas tulungan pa. Because Hennessy is doing that to share this blessing to help our economy to grow, di ba? Dahil sa BDO, dahil sa China Bank, yung ating mga negosyante, nakakautang to create their business, to create their better plan para mabuhay. Nagkakaroon sila ng bahay, nagkakaroon sila ng sasakyan, nagkakaroon sila ng income sa family. So, okay naman. Iba naman, gustong maramdaman yung blessing na receive, diba? Nagsha-shopping tayo, makain tayo, dahil yung credit card niya. So, it's a cashless. So, wherever you go, basta may video card ka, so may swipe ka lang. And then, you have to be responsible din para hindi siya lumaki. And then, if ever, meron na tayong pagkakataon, kahit pa-down lang yan, malaking bagay yan. Kasi sabi ko nga, we are not only supporting our own business, but to serve yung ating mga empleyado, masweldoan natin sila, kasi sila din bumubuhay din sila natin family nila. That is the action of learning that NBC given to us. Not only in serving in the mall, in any properties, yung literal na kailangan din natin sa buhay. So thank you and God bless for us. And by the way, for our watchers and educators who wanted to download this video blog, the Ninong TV is have a summer sale. So this video blog for sale, 150 pesos. You may now download and to buy and to use on your own social media, to post on your own, and pay for as low as 100 pesos. So this is a sale And of course, for our screen record, from 80 pesos, it will become only 50 pesos. This duration of promo is run from March 16 to June 1, 2023. So this is a great service that I can give to you. Diba? So parang Henry sila, may discount. So 100 pesos na lang only this March 16 to June 1. All of my vlogs, kahit yung dati kong vlog, you can download that, you can buy that for only 100 pesos. Okay?